hello everyone. Welcome to Fire Alarm System Test 2. So yeah, this is the second test we're going to be doing in my garage here. And we do have a lot of updates on the system, so I'm just going to cover those real quick. Right, so let's start with the sounder changes. So we have removed that sounder that was there, and we have two more new sounders now. So let's start here in the panel room. We have a new Roshni sounder head right there, and yeah, that's from the 90s, I believe. It's one of those older, more thicker Roshnis. Yeah, that's there. And we also have another one right there, but this one's in white instead. So I think that looks pretty cool. And we also have a new smoke detector right here. There were a heat detector here that was not connected, but yeah, I just changed it out to a smoke detector because we wouldn't be able to test the heat detector. So yeah, that's most of the changes. And also, yeah, out here, just a thunderstorm out here right now. It's raining a lot. Right, well, not right now, but it was. We have a new beacon here too, and we also moved it from over there to here. So yeah, that's there right now, and it's working. So yeah, that's most of the changes. And also, I'm actually holding the phone here with a flashlight in the same hand. You can kind of see here because yeah, still don't have any AC voltage up here, so no lights are working. And that's actually because we actually managed to turn on the electricity again, but we later realized there were no ground fault protection up here, so we had to disconnect it for safety reasons. Right, so now let's begin the actual test. So we're gonna start with the call point today, like usual. Where did I put my key? Here it is. So yeah, now let's give the system a quick test. Okay, here we go. Let's check on the beacon. You can't really see it flashing, but I know it is flashing. Let's see if I can get it. It won't make a flash. You can see a little bit, I think. Yeah, there we go. And for some reason, after a while, they actually desync. As you can hear. That's a bit weird. That's a bit unfortunate, actually. But silence. Oh. There's no silence. I'm not gonna reset the system because, yeah, then a lot of faults will just pop up again, start beeping. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue with the test. But actually, as you can see here, one zone is not in fault, and that is because when I connected this detector, it actually already had a resistor in it, and I guess I was just lucky that it was the right resistor for this panel, so it's actually not showing as a fault on zone 4. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm glad that happened. So yeah, let's actually test that detector now. So here we got my smoke spray. It's almost empty. I hope it's gonna be enough for this test, otherwise I'm just gonna skip the detector stuff. I think it's gonna be enough. Let's give it a test. Now 2 zones are on fire. Can't really see it. Wait. Oh, there. These 2 are on fire. So yeah, let's test the next detector. Now let's do this one here. The kind of workshop. There. Okay, right. Now, let's just do the last detector. Oh, it's almost empty now. Okay. Wait. Oh gosh, I accidentally disconnected the batteries. Shit. Okay, just gotta. Oh. Still on fire? Yep, okay. I think these sounders sound very nice. At least when they're in sync. Sounds. And let's just reset. Gosh, it has reactivated. That one's probably this one, yeah. What? No. Oh wait, it's something 4. Has this reactivated? Oh, it has. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, that was weird. Maybe I should take it down and blow in it. Well, it shouldn't reactivate now. Hopefully. Okay. Well, just because we can, why don't we test that smoke alarm too? It's gonna be a jump scare probably. Hello? Oh, it's almost empty now. Spray a lot on it now. It should go off. These are probably gonna activate before that. Hello? Test works. Now this is empty. It doesn't work. Well, it's pretty old. It's from 2004. It's all sticky now from the aerosol. Well, that's weird. Testing this didn't work. Well, I don't really care. It's like we had this fire alarm system here, so this is really not that needed. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep it there for now. But yeah, that pretty much completes the July system test. Look at this, the rain is going away now. So yeah, that was the system test. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos. So thanks for watching.